It's time, boys. It's time for Remastered. Yeah. This one goes out to all the boys who have been waiting for the song for so long. Our math teacher was teaching the class. Everybody was silent as if they were in mass. He got a book and he showed it around. He looked for a problem which he finally found. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. He said, do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Then the whole class started getting to work. A kid had a shirt with his favorite merch. When they were done, they went to get their lunch, and when they came back, they would talk about functions. They talked about domain and range and all that good stuff. That class was pretty easy, it wasn't even that tough. We drew numbers on a table, drew dots on a graph. Then our teacher told the stories and we had a good laugh. Then our teacher got us quiet, had us sitting like rocks. Everybody was looking right at the clock. We knew it was right about time that we got our markers in, did number 5. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. 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 The very next day we got a new lesson. We gotta go over it before we start testing. Our teacher got up and he showed us a book. He pointed at a problem so we took a look. What do you know? It was problem 5. The problem looked scary since we had to divide. Multiplication and division too. But we knew we could do it. It was nothing new. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. He said, do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Yeah, he told us to do that problem. He said, do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5 on the whiteboard. Yeah, he said, do number 5 on the whiteboard. Yeah, do number 5 on the whiteboard. Do number 5